National Security Minister Stuart Young said even before the borders were closed, government has had to deal with the issue of illegal immigrants. He drew the example of last year when over 16,000 Venezuelans, some who had entered this country illegally, had to be registered. He said they have been treated according to the law, even in instances when it might have meant deportation, for example, when someone was caught breaking the country's laws.
What has been happening within recent times with respect to illegal immigrants and those from Venezuela, we have been repatriating them in accordance with our domestic law.
He said some have been registered by the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, and the UNHCR could now place those persons in countries that would accept them. He added, even so, having a UNHCR receipt does not trump the laws of Trinidad and Tobago. Mr. Young added the government also had to deal with the issues of lawyers obstructing efforts to protect the country against COVID-19.
We have had instances, whilst we are attempting to protect the population of Trinidad and Tobago and quarantine persons, of lawyers going to court, the state not being represented because they're being heard ex parte, applications being made, persons being released, and afterwards we get the test results that these persons are positive for COVID. And of course, by now they've gone out in the population. They didn't come in here legally, so there's no proper recording. You don't know where they've gone, etc.
Mr. Young assured government is acting in accordance with the immigration laws in handling of illegal immigrants. Ian Wason, TTT News.